First, pinpoint your target audience. Understanding who your ideal customer is, their needs, interests, and problems they're trying to solve, is critical to your online success. Second, it's time to optimize your website. A user-friendly, mobile-optimized, and easily navigable website is key. Make sure you have clear calls to action and that your contact information is easy to find. Third, create high-quality content. Regularly publishing relevant, engaging content that offers value to your audience is a must. This could be anything from blog posts to videos, podcasts, or even infographics. Fourth, leverage SEO. Utilize search engine optimization strategies to enhance your website's visibility on search engines. This includes using relevant keywords, optimizing meta descriptions, and creating quality backlinks. Fifth, make the most of social media. Promote your business, engage with your audience, post regular updates, respond to comments, and participate in relevant conversations on various social media platforms. Sixth, consider running online ads. Pay-per-click advertising or social media ads can help you reach a larger audience. Be sure to target your ads to reach your ideal customers. Seventh, engage in email marketing. Building an email list and regularly sending out newsletters or promotional offers is another effective strategy. Remember to provide value in your emails and not just sell. Eighth, offer excellent customer service. Nothing beats prompt, helpful service. Happy customers are more likely to refer others to your business. Ninth, don't shy away from asking for reviews and testimonials. Positive reviews and testimonials build trust with potential customers. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave reviews on platforms like Google and Yelp. Lastly, always analyze and adjust. Use analytics tools to track the success of your strategies and adjust your tactics based on what is working and what isn't. Attracting more clients online takes time and patience, but with consistent effort, you can grow your customer base. If you found this helpful, do like and follow for more. Until next time, this is William signing off.